Hi everybody, this is Lance with LD Smith Plumbing. Just wanted to talk about a common service call that we get and maybe a way you can prevent having to call someone out for this problem. We'll get the complaint of a sewer odor in a certain area of the home. Oftentimes, this is in my actual home, it's a basement bathroom which is seldom used. So the basement bathroom has P-traps. The P-trap is what seals the sewer gas odor, and in order to do that, it has to remain full with water. Well, I've lived in this home for over a year, and I've never used this basement shower. So a couple months ago, my mother was in town. She said, "It smells like sewer gas in your basement." Well, I came down here, and sure enough, I looked down in my P-trap, and it had dried up enough to where this is where the sewer gas odor was coming from. The sink had been used, so it wasn't coming from there. But if you have a seldom used bathroom, let's say it's only used every 2 or 3 months, you need to keep those traps primed, is what we say. Just run some water in them, run those faucets, turn them on and off a little bit to keep them moving, because if they become stagnant, that's a separate issue. But the sewer gas odor, a lot of times it's as simple as that, making sure the traps are kept primed. If the traps are going dry quicker than a month, and there could be another problem. So just thought I'd talk about if you're having a sewer gas odor, before you call a plumber out, just make sure to check all of your traps. Thanks for watching.